currently docked in Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts, is a house on a boat that is not quite a houseboat. This 1,800 square foot home is ready to go wherever you want it to. It just needs a tow. This unique home sits on a floating barge docked at a shipyard, but it needs a new home. You can move this vessel anywhere you choose, up or down the eastern seaboard. The 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house once served as a dredging ship for the Cape Cod Canal. It measures 76 feet long and 27 feet wide and has all the conveniences of a landlocked home. With a bedroom and bath on each floor, the home also has a full kitchen, dining room, and living room. The beautiful original wooden plank walls on the first floor have small holes in them where the dredging crew's bunk beds once were attached. Electricity must be supplied from the marina, but the heating fuel, water, and waste tanks are on board. Any sea-loving buyer of this home can settle in, knowing they will always have a great view of the ocean.